Let's be honest, in my 9 years of academic life, I have met thousands of students worrying about making extra money. Their grades got lower and their social life became non existent. So I always tell them that what if there is a smarter way to make money on your own schedule without a boss breathing down your neck? Well, if this is happening with you right now, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 student side hustles that give you way more freedom and can honestly pay better than a typical job. So stick with me to the end because I bet you some side hustles are going to be totally new for you, and I am going to give you a bonus side at the end as well. So let's get started with the simple one. Number one, freelance work. If you are good at things like writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding, there are businesses out there right now looking for someone with your exact skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you directly with clients who need anything from a new logo to articles for their blog. So you set your own rates and deadlines, and all while building a portfolio that would make you look amazing to future employers. Use Canva to start making logo and sell on Fiverr. There are loads of videos on YouTube which teach you about how to make logo on Canva. Number two, online tutoring. Why not turn your brain power into cash by tutoring online? Whether it's a math, chemistry, or a language, students of all ages are looking for help. And the best part, you don't even need a teaching degree for most of these platforms. Websites like SuperProf, the platform is to teach undergraduate and postgraduate courses, or modules such as business, law, science, tech, you name it, and you can make a decent amount out of it. Then Preply. This is the platform for you to teach your language skills such as Portuguese, Arabic, German, in fact, many languages. Go and check it. And then Wizened, where you can teach Microsoft, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. These sites let you set your own hours and teach straight from your room, making it one of the most flexible and profitable gigs you can do. Number three, selling digital products. Okay, this one is the magic of passive income. Selling digital products, this is where you create something one time and then sell it over and over again. Think awesome study guides for your classes, printable planners, or even social media templates. You just list them on site like Etsy or Fourth Wall. They can literally make you money while you are sleeping or cramping for an exam. It's a brilliant way to use your creativity with very little ongoing work. Now, if you want me to discuss more about where to buy and sell digital products, let me know in the comment section so I will make another video. Nevertheless, Fiverr is one of the biggest platforms for buying and selling digital products. Number four, dog walking and pet sitting. It's honestly one of the most fun and stress-relieving way to make extra cash using apps like Rover. 24,000 plus reviews on Trustpilot for dog and cat, so it's legit. You can connect with pet owners in your area who need someone to walk their dog or cat. You get paid to get outside and hang out with adorable pets. What's not to love? Number five, on-demand gigs. On-demand gigs are going to be your new best friend. Services like DoorDash in United States, but in UK it's Deliveroo. Now, I'm not telling you to become a delivery driver, but you can partner with them. So you're cooking and their delivery services. Or if you know how to fix household things, then check TaskRabbit or MyBuilder, which is really cheaper for the customer. And you can pick up work whenever you have a free hours between your classes or on Saturday afternoon. The flexibility is insane, and a lot of them have instant payouts, so you don't have to wait 2 weeks for a paycheck anymore. Number six, content creation. You are already scrolling through YouTube and TikTok all day, so why not just get paid for it? Being a creator, it's not a pipe dream anymore. It's a real career path, and it makes for an amazing side hustle. You can start a channel about something you're genuinely passionate about, whether it's gaming, study tips, or fashion. It takes time and consistency, like I'm trying to do at the moment. So check it out, Veed.io, for editing the videos. In fact, all your studio needs. Number seven, selling second-hand items. You can't go wrong with a classic. Reselling stuff online is simple. Find things for cheap and flip them for a profit. Think about all those textbooks at the end of the semester, cool clothes, or even free furniture people leave on their curb. Site like Vinted, where you can sell items in various categories such as women, men, kids, home, electronics, and many more, and plethora of brands to sell. This site has made it super easy to connect with buyers for pretty much anything you can find. Number 8, brand ambassador. Are you super social and always know what's happening on campus? Then becoming a brand ambassador could be perfect for you. Brands are always looking for people or students to be their voice on campus. You might be handing out free samples one day and posting on social media the next. You get paid, score free stuff, and build your network. Plus, it looks amazing on your resume. Check out elevate.global. Number 9, AI prompt writing. With AI blowing up everywhere, a totally new side hustle has popped up. AI prompt writing. Basically, companies need people who can talk to AI and write clear prompts that get great results for content, images, and more. As a student, you are basically grown up online, which gives you a huge head start in figuring this stuff out. You can offer your skills on freelance sites like Upwork or check out specialized platforms like PromptBase. Number 10, online surveys and market research. And last but not the least, if you want something super chill you can do from your couch, there are online surveys. Companies will literally pay you just for your opinion on different products. Look, it's not going to make you rich, but sites like Survey Spotter is an easy, no-brainer way to rack up some extra cash. Moreover, Survey Spotter contains the best survey sites in the UK in 2025. Okay, now the time is to give you one bonus website. If you're looking truly remote jobs, like graduate level or customer services or many more, then check this website, trulyremote.co. And that's a wrap. 10 student side hustles that are way better than a rigid, boring job. The point is you don't have to sacrifice your grades or your sanity just to make money in the college. These hustles let you work when you want, build skills that matter, and finally take control of your finances. Just pick one idea from this list that sounds fun to you and give it a shot. Hang on, actually try all of them. You got this. Thanks for hanging out, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more ways to level up your life and your wallet. See ya.